Well, we have a warning for parents in Londonderry this evening. The school district sent home a letter saying that a middle school student was diagnosed with whooping cough. School administrators say they're not taking this lightly and they don't want to see any other students infected.
Like I said, I just got the email at work.
This mom says she's not worried about whooping cough yet.
My daughter's fine. I have no concerns right now.
But Londonderry school officials are concerned.
Right. We had one student, it was confirmed today, that they had pertussis, whooping cough.
The affected student attends Londonderry Middle School, and because the disease is so contagious, Superintendent Nathan Greenberg decided to send a letter home to all parents in the district.
It's always been our policy that if there's a case, even though the Department of Health and Human Services generally says you look for a cluster, even if there's one case, we feel it's important to let everybody know.
Whooping cough usually starts out looking like the common cold, but after a couple of weeks, patients develop an intense cough. Greenberg is worried more cases may pop up, even though the infected student is being treated.
The youngster had been to the doctor, had been on a medicated regimen, and is okay.
And since no other children are sick yet, parents like Lori McGrath are putting their faith in the district.
Like I said, I'm fine. I have no issues with it. Whatever precautions they need to take, I'm sure they'll take, and I'm fine. She's fine. Yeah.
But still, district officials are asking parents to keep a close eye on their kids and to please let the district know if they develop any whooping cough symptoms.